first rule of the game is to find as many words as you can. Let's proceed to our next game. Sino kaya ang malakas ang focus? Don't forget to follow, guys, ha? Let's do this. Timer starts now. Asa yung timer? Naglakbay. Naglakbay siya sa timer. Okay, what's the first word? Sino pinakamabilis sa mata dyan? CM, creator? Let's check that. C-R-A-T-E-R. Very good. Congrats, CM. You got the first word. And Tatis, you also got the... That's our first word. Thorn. T-H-O-R-N. T-H-O-R-N. Very good. Rear. R-E-A-R. Dali. R-E-A-R. Very good. Merong rear. Thorn. Yes, ito yung thorn. T-H-O-R-N. Then greater. G-R. G-R-A-T-E-R. Meron din greater. Tsaka yung greater na A lang, yung nag-great, ang tawag sa greater muna. G-R-E-A-T-E-R. Both greater and greater are on the board. Yung G-R-E, andito siya. G-R-E-A-T-E-R. Meron din. Create. C-R-E. C-R-E-A-T-E. Very good. Meron create. Then creator. C-R-E-A-T. Pwede ba yung creator? C-R-E-A-T. Yung creator, hindi siya pwede. Kasi from the letter T, you will jump to the letter O. Di ba? Hindi siya pwede. Pero yung create, pwede siya. Hornet. H-O-R-N-E-T. Merong hornet. Greater meron yan. Yung G-R-A-T-E-R. Karate. K-A. K-A. Paano yung karate, guys? K-A. Parang hindi yata pwedeng karate. Kasi K-A. Tapos, o K-A-R. From this letter R, you need to jump to the letter A. Patalon-talon yung karate, guys. Parang hindi siya pwede. Crater means heritage. Okay. Pero di ba yung crater ng mga vulkan? Crater din tawag doon. Okay, let's do that. Crater. C-R-A-T-E-R. Baka yung heritage is another word. Pinagsama lang ni Trip ni Jojo. Okay, heritage. H-E-R-I-T-A-G-E. Very good. We have the word heritage. Trip ni Jojo. Okay, ang galing. Kayak. K-A, K-A-Y-A-K. O kayak hindi pwede. Kasi you know why? Dalawa yung K. Dapat dalawang letter K din ang meron sa board. Isa lang kasi siya eh. Recreate, R-E, R-E-C-R. Hindi pwedeng recreate. Kasi ganito siya, R-E-C-R. Dalawang beses mo gagamit yung E na to. Hindi kasi pwedeng umulit. Baba po na R. Ito. Para sa recreate, cat. Okay, R-E, di ba? Then C-R. How do we do that?